Getting stuck on the Claude AI verification screen is a total mood killer when you're trying to get work done. It usually happens because of a temporary glitch, a messy network, or your own browser acting like a gatekeeper. I'm going to show you exactly how to bypass this loop right now so you can get back to your prompts. Stick around until the very end because I have a specific pro tip about your phone number format that almost everyone gets wrong, which will stop this from ever happening to you again. This glitch usually happens because the handshake between your computer and Anthropic servers gets interrupted. Think of it like a digital stutter. The code is sent, but your browser forgets what to do with it once it arrives. Sometimes it's just a stale session or an old cookie that's expired and causing a conflict. First, you need to try the easiest fix, which is a simple page refresh. Hit that refresh button or press F5 on your keyboard. This often clears out the temporary hangup and lets you request a brand new code. While you wait for that new code, check your internet connection. If your Wi-Fi is being spotty, the verification process will just stall out. Try switching to your phone's mobile hotspot for a minute to see if a more stable connection pushes the code through. Next, make sure you aren't sabotaging yourself with your browser settings. If a refresh didn't work, you need to clear your cache and cookies specifically for the Claude website. Corrupted data in your browser is a silent killer for verification screens. After you clear that data, restart your browser entirely. If you're still seeing that stuck screen, you should disable your browser extensions. Ad blockers and privacy tools are great, but they often mistake verification scripts for tracking software and block them automatically. Turn off any VPNs or proxies you have running too, because Claude's security system might be flagging your connection as suspicious. Now, simply try using incognito mode or a completely different browser like Firefox or Edge. This rules out any local settings that might be interfering. If you've requested the code too many times and you're seeing an error about too many attempts, you must stop and wait at least 10 minutes. Pushing the button over and over just resets the lockout timer and keeps you stuck longer. The pro tip I promised you is all about the silent fail. If you are using SMS verification, double-check your country code and make sure you aren't typing an extra 0 at the start of your mobile number. Many people include the leading 0 out of habit, which causes the system to fail without telling you why. Also, always check your spam folder. Sometimes the code is there, and you're waiting for a new one while the old one is still valid but hidden. If you've tried all of this and it's still spinning, head over to the official Anthropic status page to see if their entire login system is down for maintenance before you bother contacting support. That should get you back into the AI in no time.